Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you why your Honeywell thermostat is blinking cool on, and I'm also going to show you how you can fix it as soon as possible. Now, first of all, the most common reason for why you are seeing a blinking cool on message on your thermostat is the built-in compressor protection delay. So after a power outage, thermostat reset, battery replacement or temperature adjustment. So Honeywell thermostats often wait for about 5 minutes before starting the air conditioner. So this delay is going to help protect the compressor from the damage caused by the rapid cycling. So if after 5 minutes the message disappears, it simply means that there is nothing wrong with your system. But if your thermostat uses batteries, and if you are after 5 minutes seeing the same error again, you just have to simply take a look at the batteries. So weak batteries can sometimes cause the display issue. So in this case, you just have to simply try replacing the batteries. Afterwards, you just have to make sure that the thermostat is also set on the cool mode. Also, you can set the temperature at least 3 to 5 degrees lower than the current room temperature, so that the system receives a clear cooling request. Now you can try these easy fixes and see if your thermostat is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.